Well, that's because we have to deal with the barn.
Yeah, well, here. Did you think I left you? Mama's got the car keys. What, Jack? What? I know, what? It's all right, Bubba.
Well, that's a Kong toy.
Oh, it's a Kong toy?
Well, where are you going?
Jack?
Had, a lady posted, I think the dog was a big dog, and it ate the top of the damn Kong off.
Oh, really?
And it cost $3,000 to extract the Kong from the dog's belly.
Oh,
I was
really?
like, oh,
no.
maybe we won't get one of those. But I think it was a bulldog, which has a big jump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are the only toys I can give him, and he will demolish in like seconds. So that's what we
It's
get
all
him.
right. You are fine. They're talking. Is she talking about you?
Mr. Corey, you want this?
Huh? Is she talking about you?
No, have you noticed he's the fun police?
That's what I said. He's telling everyone to take a nap.
How old is he?
7.
That makes sense then.
Yeah.
I'll put up my ears. You stay
What's up, Gator?
I always wonder, like,
Mine does Nelly.
Maybe every hour. I mean, she's got shit. Remember that one time we had them hung all over within in one day? They were all full.
Cords for fans for the horses. They literally like the color orange. And I'm like, why are extension cords orange? What the hell? Why is it black? And I'm like, oh, that's flies on there. Ew. So I was like, fly people, get out here. I put a system in the barn. I was like, oh, that's disgusting.